Okay, so they found a poisonous snake. Wait, honey, can you put it back on? Oh my God. Are you sure? Look at the size of him. Don't let go.
Really?
Oh, wow. Wait. Oof. What are you going to do? Sling him? Can you see him move? He's running all over the place. You want to play frisbee? Come on. Ready? Ready? Bring it back. She's a bad retriever. Come on, baby. Maybe. Is that fun? Here. Ready? Ready? She's definitely a sand dog. She loves the beach. Not crazy about the water, but she loves the beach. Ready? Come here. Good girl. Ready? Go. Come on, baby girl. Come here. Very tiring, huh? Smart water. Hey, baby girl. What you doing? Starting to sprinkle. She looks pretty tired. You look pretty tired. Mommy got a treat. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Oh, right there. It's got sand all over it now. That's gross. Oh, you're gonna spill it. You're gonna spill it. Snack time. She really enjoyed it. Man, she ran hard. She played hard. Yeah, take a break. Aw, that's beautiful. Okay. That made me pretty tired. Pretty sandy too. I tried. Can you catch it for Mama? Wait. Really like the water. I think she's going after that fish. Bella, what are you doing? Huh? Where's the frisbee? What happened to the frisbee? Hey, wanna go for a walk? Go this way? Well, she says, I'm gonna go for for a run. I want to go for a walk. Boundaries can be an issue. As long as she sees me, I notice that she likes to, you know, she likes to check in, make sure everything's cool. Yep. Sit. 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 Good girl. It's a good girl. Yeah, the rain is definitely coming. There's a nice storm heading our way. We're supposed to get hail, hurricane, winds, and rain, and they said it's coming directly in our path where we parked the rig. And that's something. And Rob is over on the rocks fishing, hoping he can get something. So her and I are going to go and check it out. Look at, you see Daddy? See Daddy? Over here, baby. Over here. Here she comes.
Little big girl.
Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for
Alright,
love, but it got
Bella and I
me
are going
on
back.
my knees.
Look at that water. That's got to be oil.
Now's the
It's got to be oil.
time to reap what
See how it is there? Bella, come! Oh, listen to that. I think we're going to take our things back to the shop. I think that's the safest thing to do. See, it's not as black over here, but it's definitely black down there. Back into the truck because it is sprinkling and it's supposed to really, really rain. Get it all out. Good girl. See how dark it is? It's definitely coming. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Come on, baby girl. Look how dark. Holy cow, look how dark. Ugh. Yeah. This is just, oh, geez. You need to consider leaving. Hey, baby.
I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
Hey, honey. What you doing? It's just tall grass.
Heavy road, go easy on me now, and my love will shine.
Says I'm discovering. I'm hunting. That's what I'm doing. I'm hunting. Come on. Sit. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Catching anything?
Time goes by, yeah, you and I are running out. Time goes by, I change my mind about you and I. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know this heart's on the edge. You make me feel so much better.
Got it?
Promise
Want to throw it again?
I'll
Oh. Listen, I'll throw it. Drop it. Drop. Drop. Drop.
That's
No.
why
Drop.
I
You're asking me when. You don't like that, Bella?
I wanna grow old with you. 'Cause nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you.
Wanna throw it again?
Promise you.
Ready?
Time goes by, oh precious time. Wait, just one
Bella.
minute. Time goes by,